Yeah, rice is nice. The tire is not even over that. Bozozoko cars. Damn. I'm too unstancy boy to understand this magic. Hello guys, with that, welcome to the Planet MRS YouTube channel. And yeah, we're here at the CleanCulture Meet in Chiba, Japan. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna wander around a little bit and film whatever I think is of interest. For example, like this wide body Tandem Civic. But yeah, I'm just gonna run around and film some stuff and yeah, show you the stance culture of Japan. Right here we have classic Need for Speed Underground styling cars. It's like a club, Destiny. And yeah, the guy told me we should take a look at the back of this 2ZZ Celica. Even though it's automatic, it's got a pretty nice trunk system, like complete 2000s styling. It's pretty cool. Somehow I dig it. I think many people nowadays see this as rice, but nah, it's just a different era. And yeah, rice is nice. And yeah, especially the Civic. I think the Civic is very tasteful. I like the wing and wheel setup. I mean, it's high, but that's just how the style was. So I think that's pretty cool. And obviously the huge ref counter, amazing. Destiny Car Make Factory. Very cool to see someone even nowadays like build these kind of style cars. In the R33. The interesting thing is, you think, okay, nice stance on this Harrier, but then you look inside and you see, oh, okay, that's interesting. The tire, it's like it's stretched, but it's not even over the hump of the wheel. Like this little hump in the wheel is what's normally supposed to catch a tire from slipping off. The tire is not even over that. So I would like to know what kind of magic this guy is working to to make that work. Yeah, that's the same like on the other one, but you can see, or maybe you can't, there's like, I think it's glued maybe, like a little rubber lip glued next to the tire, so it doesn't slip like outwards. I have no idea how this works. I'm too unstancy boy to understand this magic. But look at this exhaust. And yep, then there's this. I think there's no part of this car that doesn't have a wing or a vent or some carbon plates. This is proper Gundam S13. I mean, look at the setup on the wing. This is crazy. It's also a very clean example of a Silvia with super meaty wheels and tire setup. Like, what size is this? This 15-inch wheels and a huge tire. You look at this meaty boy. Yeah, we were thinking about because two of the Silvias, this one as well, has a factory steering wheel. We were thinking about if having this factory steering wheel is a flex, maybe. But yeah, as you see, so no Silvia gets spared with the crack dash. But yeah, very clean. Very clean. I really like it. I'd also say it's one of my favorites because it's firstly the two-tone and the meaty tire setup with like the R888s and the 15-inch equips. Like in general a whole well-fitting package, I would say. And yeah, next to the Silvia is this. It's not a Honda City, it's a Honda Today, which is slammed. Nice, but the coolest thing is, because it's so low, they took the tank out of the bottom and put it up, like put the fuel tank in the trunk, and now the gas cap is inside, so you reach through the trunk to fill up your gas. Wild setup, and the tiny exhaust. It's really, yeah. It's funny. It's funny. I like it. That's wild. What is that? I don't even know what this is. Yo. That's something. This dashboard looks like AW11 MR2, and it also looks cut right there. So I think this is a first gen MR2 dash, and it's a pretty interesting steering wheel. But yeah, look, it even says it on the center console, MR2. So yeah, whatever this car is, I can't tell if anyone knows. Write it down. But that's pretty cool. So what? MR2. So what? So yeah.
だから内装、中室内ルームは MR2。
そうですね。すごい。あざっす。かっこいい。そうやる。
ボディサイズを無理やりマイティボーイにしちゃってるから、こういうところほら切っちゃってる。
あ、そう。
カット。カットしてサイズ合わせて、フィットさせて作った。すごい。
そうこの車見たけど、全然わかんない。これ何？と思うだ。
多分この中でね、車種がわからない車、唯一一台だと思います。
めっちゃかっこいい。
ありがとうございます。
Das ist ein MR2. So let's explain this in English. I saw this car and I had no idea what it was, but the owner just explained to me it's indeed, it's not only the interior's MR2, the whole thing is a first gen MR2, but he put on a K-Truck body, obviously also hardly modified, and he narrowed the car. You can see this is the factory dashboard, and it's cut because the whole car is he made it like narrower, like the factory MR2, and then he put on this body. He showed me. I'll put the clip in. When he opened the trunk, it became apparent that this is indeed an MR2. That's pretty cool. Maybe this is his shop. What does it say? Body works. It just says body works. My katakana reading is still pretty slow. It says body works. It's pretty cool.